Hello, hello. Thank you for the lurk, Foul. What up, Wardstone? Sorrow. How's it going? Good day to you all. Today, I'm gonna keep my head down. I'm gonna keep my head down and work. How are y'all doing? I started addressing some notes from the live playback, or the live play test that I experienced. One of the notes was decoration with controller. Confusing. Everything was controller related. I just never... I didn't treat it with enough respect. One of the things I'm adding right now is D-pad movement, because before I only had analog stick movement, which is broken now for some reason. Strange. It's like, see, it's saying move. It's saying move, but it didn't do it. But D-pad always works. D-pad's always perfect. So I don't know what's up with that. Look at that. That's weird. It's spamming move, but it's not doing it. I wonder what that is. Oh, I think it's because the analog stick is passing in a value between -1 and 1, and it's getting rounded. So if it's not above 0.5 in either direction... Oh, yeah, look at that. Okay, so if it's not above 0.5 in either direction, it's just not going to do it. Okay, it's a much easier fix than I thought. Much easier. So all I have to do is... I can't floor it. I have to, like... If not 0, then... Yeah, I gotta do something funky. Move. So yeah, it's rounding it. So instead of rounding it, what I need to do is... If vector dot x is greater than 0, vector dot x equals... Wait. Okay. So that's not always what I want. Sometimes you can move it by 0.5. Round to int. Look at that, I round it. How do I support half grid movements if I round it? That's weird. I don't know how I do that. Interesting. We're looking at houses, and Karen sees this house, and she's like, Granny used to live there. And then points to a piece of carpet and says, they probably died right there. Finn, how's it going? Karen's funny. Tell Karen I think she's funny. I might need a break from Twitch. I feel a little oversaturated. You ever feel like that? Maybe I just need to get out more. We're as bad as each other. That's nice. That's nice. How is this moving only half of a unit if I'm rounding it? This is weird. Math.round to int. I'm okay. I mean, I feel a little weird. I don't know what it is. Something weird's in the air. It's mostly I'm okay. I was singing all morning, and something usually happens at around this time where I like whatever mood I was in the morning, I'm different. So this morning I was in a really good mood, but now I feel weird. I find that my mood cycles, they go quick. They're in like 5 hour 5 hour cycles. I try to explain that to my wife sometimes, like, I can be in a different mood 5 hours later. It's fine. She was like, "You were mad this morning. Why are you're still mad?" I'm like, "No, I'm fine now." And she doesn't understand like that I just have like these quicker, shorter mood shifts. Cause she can be in the same mood for like 3 days. And I can't work like that. Caleb Gaming, how's it going? All right. I don't understand. Do I do anything to it here? Move. Oh, wait a minute. I have a different move. I have different move logic. Move. Oh. How's it going with me? I'm gonna be okay. You know what? This just talking about it makes me feel better. Honestly, whatever I just said made me feel better. So I'm feeling better. If I keep talking about it, maybe I'll feel great. I think great is on the horizon. Here we go. So after you and John were like, how pretty the prototype was, it's encouraging use so you can see what we'll actually do for the screenshot. Yeah, no, that place, that level you had designed, Finn, is... Wait. Oh, it's encouraging us. So you can, yeah, yeah, yeah. It was gorgeous. Honestly, it was, you know, I see you like slowly adding textures to the walls, slowly adding props, slowly adding like character to the rooms with custom props. And it's coming together for sure. But that environment, that was just like, bam, here's a gorgeous freaking environment. Really nice lighting. I mean, I think you got something going there, honestly. All right, so what I am noticing now. Siraj Samal, how's it going? What are you doing, bro? Well, if you're new here, I work on a game called Alpine Lake. It's a cozy innkeeper sim. Right now, I have a decorating system that works great for controller, or works great for keyboard and mouse. I'm just like tweaking it for controllers a little. So like, if I pick up this end table, right? And now I go to decorate it. Yeah, this looks great, right? Mouse is totally fine. If I switch to keyboard, I have like a keyboard only mode, which is for people on laptops. It kind of still works great. It works. I hit the button, the thing moves. But now I'm on controller. With the analog stick, D-pad is great. It's just a button, but with the analog stick, it's funny. Like I just clicked it 2 times, it didn't move. I just clicked it again, it didn't move. I can spam it. It just doesn't feel right. It doesn't feel right. Beegs, how's it going? So that's what I'm working on today. I want to just... It's been a lot of like controller polish, which is annoying because I'd love to make more content and finish the demo and get it out the door, but you got to make sure the user experience is good for people, User experience is just as important as content. So I'm trying to adjust the logic for, you know, this move stuff. Is there a function that's like, and it's like a floor and a seal all at once? Like I want to floor it if it's negative and seal it if it's positive. Is there like a one function for that? Or do I gotta do a thing? I'll just do a thing. Clamp? No, because if it's 0, I just only want it to ever be -1, 0, or +1. And the only time it should ever be 0 is if it's 0. So if it's not, I just don't want to do like a bunch of if statements, which I'm about to do. Yeah. No, Biggs, it's all good. Good. How are you doing? Shout out to Biggs. Thank you, Finn, for that. How's the Captain Coder Portal game jam going, or the mechanic jam? Looks like you've been working on it for what, 1 day and you're already done? It's pretty crazy. I'm new here, new in game development. Also, what softwares are you using? I'm in my first year of CS, and so far I know Python 3, doing DSA, and watching some of the machine learning videos. So far I've made a neural network from scratch. Am I going in the right path, and what should I be doing? Suraj, I wish I can give you better advice, but I wish I can give you any advice, to be honest. I think being in CS to do game dev, that's totally fine. I think neural networks and that area of development, I don't know how relevant that is to game dev right now. But I'm sure you can apply it. I'm sure you can figure out how to apply it. Yeah, I don't know. So I'm a 3D artist by trade. So I come in from the completely other side. Coding is all hobbyist / self-taught. And I think, if you wanted to get into game dev, being in a CS major that's great. Yeah, you're going to learn how to code. You're going to be able to make systems. It's going to be great. I do talk to some people who did CS and then, do like 10 years of professional CS, and then they want to make games, and it's like, even stuff like an update, like the update loop is new to them. Like a function that gets called every frame, and thinking about physics, like that stuff trips up some of the CS people I talk to. But it's, if you're doing game dev right now and traditional CS, then you'll be fine. You'll be totally fine. Not quite 1 day. How long are you working on it? 2 days? All right, vector 2 val equals I'm just gonna do my own little clampy clamp. Button state, button data, dot value, axis value. If val dot x is greater than 0, val equals 1. Ooh, should I have a dead zone? Should I have a dead zone? I think Unity has a dead zone built in. I don't think I need one. How much physics is needed for game dev? I mean, either none or a lot. Depends on what kind of game you're going to make. Oh, also, Automat, welcome in. How's it going? Are there switch statements in C#? There are. There are definitely switch statements. I read your message before, but my brain was chugging. I come from the CS side, and I found it pretty easy to make basic projects. The art side is the most difficult for me. Yeah, so Suraj, the art stuff is always going to be something that you are not taught in CS, which is a big part of game dev. You can make a game without art. You can also make a game that's like purely like programming fluff. That's just like procedural effects and not a single pixel made. You can do that, or not like a single pixel painted or modeled or anything. But it's just you're just limited to that, or assets that you find. Just ask an artist. Wait, we saw a house that someone bought for 1 million less than 3 years ago, now in the market for 700K. Whoa, what's going on there? I might still be too groggy to help, but I think system.math.sign might be what you want. Wait, system.math. Does math f.sign? What is sign? Returns the sign of f. What is the sign? What's your GitHub? What do you mean? I mean, I don't have like public stuff on my GitHub. Bubble burst in it. Damn. I'm guessing now's a good time to buy where you are, right? Oh. Let's check that out. Math f.sign. What is this? Returns a value of 1 when it's 0 or greater. Returns value of wow, that's totally it. That's exactly what I want. Thank you so much. You're a hero, Beegs. A hero. Augie. Augie, how are you? Augie, I feel like we bonded yesterday. Do you feel like we bonded yesterday? We had a fun joint stream where he ripped me to shreds. He ripped my character to shreds and said, "It looks like you only put 2 seconds of work into this." And I said, "Did only put 2 seconds of work." He said, "It shows." I really enjoyed that. It's the equivalent of fit in Vex. Wait, CS majors assume everyone has a GitHub. It's normal. I don't know why I found that so funny. I can't open my eyes. Lunch is putting me to sleep. Oh, that happens all the time. I keep eating like disgustingly large lunches here. Oh, and sometimes I'll take a nap in this chair before I stream. It's crazy. Og is honest. We need more honest. Og is brutal. Og is great. I only know about it because I had to use it for my portals 2 days ago. Oh wow, that's funny. Strikes again. So here I want to. So instead of passing this, I want to pass Val. Val. Okay. This might do the trick. Let's check it out. What'd you do? You didn't do anything, Og. You were very generous. That's what you did. You did generous things. Because it's not like this is shit. This is shit and here's why. Degenerous things. It's true. If you can back up why you think it's shit, then you're right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh. Okay. That's funny. So I do need a dead zone. Because like if I move the analog stick to the right, It's like 0.0001 in y, and it's pumping that right up to the value. So I need like a. I guess I got to do an if statement anyway because sine is too powerful. Or no, you know what I do? Okay, right before the sine, I right before the sine, maybe I do if it's lower than a certain value, I just make it 0. Maybe that's what I do. If val dot x is less than like 0.25, val dot x equals 0. Y is less or less than 0.25 and val dot x is greater than negative 0.25. Got it. Okay. Yeah. If it's less than 0.25 and val dot y is greater than negative 0.25, val dot y equals 0. Okay. So now there's a dead zone. That should help with the everything is diagonal. Why 0.25? It's just like I'm just like adding 0.25 dead zone to the controller. It could be wrong. It's just like a gut feeling that 0.25 might feel good. We're going to test and find out. That's kind of big. Well, I've noticed that, I mean, people peg the controller all the way. And when you peg it, you know, nobody's like, when you move something with the analog stick, you're gonna peg it. You're not gonna like, gentle. Who does gentle analog stick movements? I feel like I don't know. We'll see. You could be right. You could be right. Yeah, if I could have rounded it, I guess, but then that's just 0.5. Whoa, it's still. Whoa. Okay, now it's not even going in the right direction. I'm going to the left. And it's moving to the right. I go to the right and it's moving. Sorry, I go down, it's moving. What is happening? Computer! Good morning. I gotta change that emote. It looks so ridiculous. This is not good. It's just such a weird feeling. Hells yeah. What is happening? If it's less than 0.25 and greater than negative 0.25, make it 0. It's less than 0.25 and greater than negative 0.25, make it 0. The sign of F. Let's print it. I don't even know what's going on. Print. Very strange results. Let me read what this is again. So returns a value of 1 when f is greater when f is 0 or greater. So sign never returns 0. Okay, we can't use sign. And it returns a value of -1 when f is negative. Okay, so let's just do a bunch of stuff here. So yeah, so if it's not in the dead zone, we peg it. Ameripon, how's it going? Damn. How are you? System math sign return 0. Okay, I'll try that. I didn't know there was a system.math. Sang Chad, what up? Welcome in. Okay. This might do it. This might do the trick. I'm sorry for not listening to you before when you said use system. I should have realized, like, why would you recommend system when there's mathf? But you had your reasons, and I just was being stubborn. I keep thinking you're saying like sine W code. Yeah, yeah. It's confusing. Perfect. I think. All right, so now if I spam, it's still not good. If I hold it, it's fine. Like when I hold it down, it's totally fine. But when I like spam it, not good. Wait, so what's going on here? To be fair, I didn't know there was a mathf sign. All right, that's funny. We're all learning new things. Computer. Whoa, that's a lot of calls here. So this is being called, oh, this is just being spammed. I hit it for like maybe a quarter of a second, and look at how many times it gets called. Ooh, I know what I should do. I think I know what to do. Val, what up, Val? No, 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 no. No, I was thinking it's not gonna do it that way. I was thinking I should like just have something that moves smoothly, and then the decoration snaps to it when it gets to the grid point, but I don't like that so much. Not for this. How can I what am I missing here? I know what I'm missing. It's like when I get back to 0. Wait, I don't have like an up. What's going on? It came late. Do you want it to move on a grid system? Yeah. You know, it already moves on a grid system, right? See how it like when I use the keyboard and I use buttons, it's totally fine. When I use the D-pad and use buttons, it's totally fine. It's perfect. It's the only problem is when I use the joystick, it doesn't feel good. Maybe I just ignore this because it does look fine when you hold the joystick down. It's just when you like spam, it's like when you do this, right? Like, it doesn't feel good. See, it's like missing a bunch. You okay, Dougie? Ugh, my dog is so stupid. There's these little mushrooms growing out of this plant. And she ate the mushrooms. Is she gonna die? Like, is she poisoned? I don't know. I hope not. Why do dogs gotta do such stupid shit? It ain't great. No, it's not great. So I'm trying to like, it's almost like I need a fake on up. Because the analog sticks don't have an on up. They only have an, wait, do they even have an on down? Are you making the move happen when the axis of the stick reaches 0? No, I'm making it when it reaches. I'm making it happen when it reaches outside of the dead zone. So I guess when we go back in the dead zone, I can consider that an on up. You led me there. You led me there. So here I have on up, but really on up is like if we're in the if both of these are in the dead zone. So basically, if we're pressed, yeah. If val dot x, or I guess if val equals vector 2.0, button hold timer equals 0. Maybe that'll do it. And you know what? I'm going to increase this dead zone to like 4. So it's way easier to accidentally enter the dead zone. I heard if val.x, a tabbed over. I'm going to do this for you. Now it is val.x. You're in my code. Let me format you nice. Future you is going to be so confused. I'll even leave a comment. Not val. There, I made it even more confusing for myself. I left a ridiculous comment. You know what I noticed? Irad got rid of his like mess with my code redeem. And when I was on his stream, I think it was like 2 days ago, he didn't have the change my stream title. What's happening? Is Irad okay? Does anyone know if Irad's okay? All right, one more time. Ooh, that feels way better. I'm still missing a couple. Stuff broke? Ah. It's still missing. Down, 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 down. What is happening? Can you save the last actuation time and use it as the threshold? So like the moment I go less than, you're saying if I lower it at all, we undo it. We reset. But then that's like gonna happen every frame. Or maybe you probably have to make a little threshold, yeah, like a little below that. Why is it so shitty? Mr. Karoi. It looks good. Thank you. It's not great yet. Look, I just hit it 4 times. Maybe the threshold is 1. Maybe, yeah, maybe that's it. Maybe if it's less than 1. Oh, wait, it can't be 1. Because, well, let's do like 0.8. This might not feel good because the threshold's too high. I don't know. Maybe I'll just make the joystick move the camera. If I make the joystick move the camera, then there's no, I don't have to worry about it. Whoa, no, it's terrible. It's terrible. That sounds like cheating. Streak successfully maintained. Second favorite. All right, 8.8 was way too high. I mean, yeah, let's try 0.5. It's just like a simple round, but by the way, I'll just leave this here. Our fellow game dev Purple Moss Collectors is currently on Steam Next Fest. Give him some wish list and demo plays if you can, please. Computer. I got a call out. I got an announcement. I got a command for him. But yeah, he is in Next Fest, and it's really awesome. And he was shouted out by the creator of Baltro. What is it? Baltro? He's making a really cool card game. Ooh, people are playing it. See, I can't wishlist it because I already own it. But it's really satisfying, this game. Guy's name is Local Thunk, bit of an indie celeb at the moment. Oh, I'm sure. Demo plays are important too. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, check this one out, everybody. It's really good. Published by Yogscast. The people behind Tiny Teams. I wonder if he still has the itch version up, because that's where I played it a lot. I played through it like 10 times on itch. Indie Sporting Indies, love to see it. Of course. Yeah, it was very cool of that guy to do that. I think once you absolutely make it, you know, there's no more competition. The whole point. You gotta like help everyone out. Honestly, even if you haven't made it, you should be helping people out. But hopefully, when you're at that level, people can pass along the love. Yeah, check it out. It's awesome. The indie community is often very supportive. If only we could trick normal people into it. To mean to play indies. What I don't understand is, oh, wait a minute. Indie games are killing it right now and have been. Yeah, they're doing well. Dave H, welcome in. How's it going? I'm going to try and code out the time threshold. That's, you don't have to do that. People hear AAA and are like, oh, $70? I'm out. Yeah, I haven't. Yag! What up, Yag? Bam. How you doing? Yeah, this ain't working. This ain't working. Can't open eyes. You could do it, Augie. Open them up. Breathe. It's possible something else is happening. Something else stupid. So if I go to here. If I go to here. Decoration is... No, it's not null. Focus object is null? No, it's not null. I'm still rounding it. Is that okay? Oh, Jesus. I cannot repeat that. Snap move. I wonder if it's this. You think it's this? Let's do something different. Let's print the move statement. I haven't computer, if you're still there, I haven't, been up to date on how Zachavelli's game is doing. Mirror Throne. Do you know? Mirror Throne. Auto Battler. So the creator of the Game Dev Field Guide podcast and Discord community, where a few of us know each other, kind of how I even started Twitch streaming. The creator of that is making this, which is a really cool looking, it's like a 2D, 3D pixel in 3D world auto battler. Kind of like that, what is it called? Something Pets? Auto Pets? Super Auto Pets? Paste bin. Let's see. Threshold, cooldown. Current time. So I originally was using time, but I actually switched away from using time because then you're subject to oh, you're only using it to like last activation time. Let me take a look at this. I think I was watching that stream the other night. Yeah, he's like the flip side of me. He'll do like 12 hours from now on like Tuesdays and Thursdays or something. First last activation should be removed. This one? Test it? You can test? So there's something else that I'm not sure how to infuse this with, is because I already have logic for when you hold it down, it also repeats it over time. Let me see if the thing I just did had any effect. So that you're using cooldown. Yeah, so this is kind of what I was doing to begin with. But I wanted to be able to spam it, so I didn't want time to be involved unless you're holding it down. Like if you can click it faster than 0.1 second, like I kind of want that to be true. Wait, why is it still showing all these prints? Also, why is my mouse absolutely stuck in the center of the screen? What are these prints? Oh, it's this. What are the other ones? Get out of here. Scram. You, get out of here. Okay. But yeah, this is a Zachavelli. It's with an underscore. Shout out Zachavelli. No, that's not him. That's not dismiss. Where is it? I think it's underscore Zachavelli. Oh, it's Zachavelli. Yeah. There it is. Okay. I can't shout out now. That's stupid. I gotta wait a minute. Okay. Oh yeah, we hit 700 followers. That's cool. Need to update my thingy. This happened on Fin50's stream earlier. Thank you for the shout out. Were you working on getting a demo out for something? No, I wasn't trying to get it out for anything. Just wanted it out. Start a new goal. Boom. Moves out. I don't know what I'll do for 1,000. You're supposed to do something, right? Yeah, will you? I just gave myself a goal. Whoa. What? Now what's happening? Why is it skipping? What is happening? What is happening? All I did was put a print statement and delete some print statements. All I did was do this. What is happening? Oh my god. Oh my god. The world is a blur. Honestly, the getting into the Twitch community is kind of overwhelming for my brain because I was just like introduced to like 200 new people and trying to keep track of like what everyone's up to, personalities, projects. I think that's the part of Twitch that's a little overwhelming for me right now, is keeping people straight in my head, because I'm not treating this like I'm a content creator, I'm treating this like I'm just hanging out with you guys and we're all working together or something. So mentally it's like exhausting. I've got a hot tub if anyone wants to stream from it. That's cool. You have a hot tub? Shirtless guitar, hot dogging sounds like hell of a dream. No. I've tried to keep it to like 10 or so. Oh wait, what was happening? Oh, I'm listening to Zachavelli's stream intro. Oops. All right, I can give him a shout out now. Paste. There's the right one. Follow that Zachavelli. Peaks. Careful. Okay, what the heck is heckin' going on? Heck. Heckin' heck. Look, that print statement's not even being thrown? Why? If that print statement's not being thrown, that means we're not using the decoration controller's move. We're using The vector 3 one, maybe? Or we're using this one. Hold up. Everyone chill. Where's move? So this move, right? This is base move. This is... Oh, I thought this was a print statement. This is base.move. Idiot. Idiot. Okay, we're back on track. It was commented out. I just assumed it was a print statement. That's dangerous. How many times have I done that? You're very proud of your deck. Did you build it yourself? Wink, wink. Base.move does look a lot like print. Don't feel bad. Okay, we're only whoa, it's like even more janky. Oh, I know what's happening. Now I know what's happening. Okay. So here's the logic now. Left stick is down, right? We're entering left stick, but we haven't passed the threshold yet. We're still like moving the button over. On down, we move. But what is on down? I don't think this ever gets called. What the hell is on down? Does this even get called on controller? I don't know. And then we're getting into press state. But we're probably still in the threshold, so we're moving 0. But we're resetting the timer anyway, because we're telling the game to move. So it thinks we did a successful move. But then this should just happen the next frame. I guess we're just not reaching the threshold fast enough. So what I have to do here is if button hold timer is greater than move delay and foul is not equal to vector 2.0. So now we don't do the first move until we have a good value. And then we can start the cycle. Because I think what's happening is I'm hitting to the left or something. It's firing off the event move, but it's being clamped to 0. And then I'm trying to spam it. So I'm not waiting for the button timer to end. So I'm just spamming a bunch of empty zeros. I'm spamming a bunch of empty moves. Oh, look at that. Does this even get called on controller? Yes. Yes, it does. So I just did it, right? Does this even get called on controller? 0, 0. That's probably part of the problem too. Is that initial on down is also starting the timer. So let's not even do the on down. Just pressed. Just pressed. Okay, chat. Should I draw, paint, make some mold, start new game, or just go get candy and cry a little? Ooh, what kind of candy? And what kind of crier are you? I should expand that the mold is in 3D. Is it like baseboard on a wall, molding, crown molding, or gross bacterial mold? Also, what kind of candy? Because I'm about to go get some candy. I didn't eat any pre-stream candy. Do you guys want to see my new favorite Japanese candy that I found? Hold on, let me go get it. All right, it's not Japanese. It's a Kit Kat, but it's my new favorite flavor of Kit Kat. It's Baskin Robbins raspberry chocolate ice cream flavored Kit Kat. It's absolutely incredible. It tastes like Baskin Robbins raspberry swirl chocolate ice cream. Incredible. If you can find it, get it. Why do they not have these in the US? I don't know. Okay, I got rid of the on down and it's basically waiting for the threshold to reach the value. Hello, what platform are you using to create your game and what language? Yaton Komeni. Yaton Komeni. How's it going? Hope I didn't butcher your name too bad. So I'm working in Unity, C Sharp. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. We're gonna put this back. And we're gonna use a different value here. We're actually not gonna clamp the first one. Are you Yaton? Are you a game dev as well? Welcome in. I'm going for a milkshake and maybe a candy bar or gummy bears. Wait, you just have to go to H Mart to get them. They're $12 a bag. What's an H Mart? Is that like an Asian grocery store near you? Looks like the portrait Og made. Which one? Oh, the one. Do you guys want to see Augie's 5-minute drawing of me? Augie, do you want to show off your 5-minute drawing of me? I'm barely starting, but still learning. Nice. Welcome to the journey. The journey that never ends. All right, so instead of using foul, let's see. Maybe I just do a different threshold. I'm going to move all this code to a function. And it's going to be like private, something about dead zone. Apply something. It's going to return a vector. And what are we going to do? We're going to like clamp dead zone. Is dead zone one word? And then we're going to pass in a vector. Vec, and then also give it the threshold. And then we'll do this, right? Say foul is vec. And then change this to the threshold. And then the negative threshold. Because I just want to give the on down a basically no threshold. Ooh, maybe the on down. Maybe the on down is like no, return foul. It's in like an either or, whichever one's greater. So like your very first on down can't technically be diagonal. So now foul equals clamp dead zone 0.5. All right. cool. I had no idea there were a lot in my area. Nice. So go check out the raspberry Baskin Robbins flavor. It's a giant Korean grocery store, but they sell Japanese Kit Kats. Ooh, nice. So the other ones that are my favorites that you can find, that you should be able to find anywhere, are the Meiji mushrooms. I don't have any right now, but Meiji mushroom chocolates. The Choco Shrooms. They look like this in the US. They look like this in the US, but they look like this here. So if you see either of these, ooh, these are the best. These are my favorite. I don't know what it is. It's just like the perfect amount of cookie. And it's dark chocolate and milk chocolate. Ooh, love it. Might have to look into this. Let's move it out here. Turning cog, what's the matter? You're all hyped up. These are great. My girlfriend visited Japan and picked up a lot of candy for me. But TSA confiscated a lot. What? That's crazy. I'm surprised. So what if I do this? What is that? What are these Unreal emotes? This is my only Unity emote. Unreal specific emotes are wild, yeah. I was gonna do a Unity ain't dead emote, but I don't care. I don't care about the engine wars. I'm not a part of it. How about this? So if we're on down, I just want to see what these values are when we're on down. Print e dot button data dot axis value. I just gotta see, you know, what are these values that I'm working with here? Because I might want to do something where I get like the a weighted direction, you know, like the eight. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like the 8-axis thing. I do a quick little calculation. All right, so the on down value is it's actually pretty big. Clear. Oh, so it can be really small. You know what? Let's just do a smaller threshold for the on down. We'll say if we're on down, we do like a 0.2 threshold. And maybe Everything will be okay. Because I think what it's doing is like, if you don't move the controller fast enough, it's doing on down and clamping both values, so you just get nowhere. That's a sign of intelligence. I was going to make something in Godot, but I'm already bad at coding, and I've been using Unreal for 6 years, and I've never finished anything, so maybe it's not a good start. I don't know. You might fall in love with Godot. You might fall in love with Godot. Oh my god. You might fall in love with Godot, and then you're a whole new you, and you finish something, and close. We're so close. We're pretty close. I can do diagonals. All right, I'm going to call it. I'm going to say this is close enough. Close enough. Done. Move on. I've been doing this for an hour. It's crazy. It looks clean. It looks cleaner than it feels. It's not great. It doesn't. The joystick decorating doesn't feel great. But I got to move on with my life. It's indie dev. Got to move on. So I gotta continue this refactor here. Snap move. So after snap move, what happens? Move complete. Move complete doesn't do anything here, but does move complete do anything here? Yeah. So move complete says decoration transform dot local position. We zero it out, and then can place. Then we say, can we place? Calculate blockers. Oh my god. Oh, that's crazy logic. Can place equals true. Where do we say we can? At the end, after we calculate the blockers. And what's this? Calculate wall deck. Okay. I finished game jam and art project stuff, but nothing shipped. Got to figure something super small scope, like my VR Garfield kissing sim idea. You want to talk about kissing sims? You should talk to Maripon. So why can't I place the item? Why can't I place it? What's going on here? Can move? Oh, because I checked for can move. And can place. So what I should be doing is decoration controller place. I don't need to check for can move anymore. I should just see if the item stopped animating. Place decoration. Where's the function for placing the decoration? Place item, there it is. So can place and can move. So I don't want can move to be here. And what was that? Second favorite. Wait. 4 months. Didn't you just sub like 2 days ago? Thank you. What is going on? Why does it feel like you're subbing every day? Wait, your sub lapsed for some reason. It feels like you subbed yesterday. What just happened? Hopefully you didn't get charged twice. You gifted a few the other day. Oh. Oh, wait. Turning cog. I completely just didn't read your messages. I'm sorry. It makes me feel better about my progress lost. Shit takes time, yo. No, I meant to trigger automod, not say a hit. I know what you meant. I don't think shit triggers automod anymore. It sounds like a lawsuit. Just make it like Barfield. Barfield the bat. Or Carfield the dog and Dodie the cat. I noticed my trees were gone. That's unacceptable. I'm glad you got your trees back. Just make this game, but in Unreal, and have super low angle camera shot in the trailer so it looks extreme. You already spent the 6 years. Wait, I was thinking about doing a custom cinematic camera controller just for the trailer so I can get like interesting shots. I'm probably going to do that. I just need to make sure that when I place this item, I snap it. Yeah, I already do that. I snap it to the current position. Okay, I think I'm safe to just remove it. I don't need to do any fancy logic. Let's see what happens. Oh, right, I might need to stop the moving coroutines. That's gonna mess it up. I need to kill all coroutines when I place the item. Oh, let's just see. Wait, I'm frozen. Why am I locked? What? What? I soft locked the game just by removing something from an if statement for a button that I didn't press? Oh, maybe it's like trying to place it the moment I enter. When I was Googling Alpine Lake, a horror movie came up? No. I should be like the second. I should be like the second Google search. Yeah, look at that. I'm coming for you, Wikipedia. I'm coming for you. Yeah, that's weird. Oh, and videos. Incredible Alpine Lakes. Alpine Lakes. Ooh, yeah, I'm nowhere in the video category. What about imagery? Nope, I'm out. We're nowhere in the imagery. That's okay, we'll get there. All right, so I can place it. I think it's because I was out here. When I try and decorate out here. Why did we just soft lock? I don't like that. Wait, it let me put it here. Chardin, thank you for the follow. Why is it letting me put it out here? Dog is like pushing me around with her cone. What a jerk. So what I'm testing right now is I'm trying to like I'm trying to break it. I'm trying to place it in the middle of an animation. Second, why are you effing around with VR? I mean, VR is fun. There's nobody plays, but it's fun to make. Too tired? I'm too tired. All right. I think we're okay. I think I'm just gonna let it be. I don't know. I did a bunch of stuff here that I don't love, but I gotta I gotta see if I broke the rest of the game. Oh God. Ooh, that was a terrible crackle. So what did I do here? Do I have to do anything into the other place? Nah. I love VR. There you go. Do what you love. Ooh, you know what I gotta check? I gotta check if you can place it while it's like moving up to second floor or something. What? Why can't I move it up to the second floor? Oh, I don't think I activated that. So I've still not tried VR. I'm building 2 other PCs instead. Wait, you've like, you mean deving or like you've never put on a headset? There's still people out there who have never put on a headset? That seems weird to me. I shouldn't assume. I've never put on a headset. Wow. It is cool. It is cool. I would, yeah, just like play Beat Saber and tell me you don't want one. It's really fun. Just the game manager. Can build second floor. Yeah, what the hell? Do you mean headset or headphones? Headset. Push Toy, welcome in. Turning Cogs never put on a VR headset. Or were you making a joke and I'm ruining it? Why can't I move to the second floor? Spin, place item, spin. Okay. Move floors. Move floors. Can build second floor. If can build second floor. If we can build second floor, return true. Yes, yes, please. What is happening? Can build second floor. If can build second floor. We can. And I won't give Meta my money, so options are expensive. Yeah. VR is not exactly for the masses. It's not. If you don't want to buy the Meta Quest because of reasons, then yeah, it's too expensive. I know a $3,500 option that you can watch YouTube on and look at photos. About the Apple one. I left Facebook over real name login. So I def don't want my games linked to my government name. I mean, you can make a new Facebook. Just wait. Do you need a Facebook account? I don't remember. There's no correlation to your Facebook account and like deving for Oculus. I think the coolest part about 3D art is being able to actively play the thing you've made and experience things I've created with real scale on the ultimate version of that for me. Yeah, it is. It's really cool. You know, when most of the time you're limited to the tiny screen in front of you. But in VR, the thing you make could be the size of a skyscraper. It could be planets exploding in front of you. It offers a level of immersion that's very cool. I appreciate it. Wait, if you can't build on the second floor. I think I have this backwards. If you can build on the second floor, move between floors. What was I thinking? Why did I negate that? Can build second floor. If we can build on the second floor, show this thing. Yeah, okay. And then player stats. Can build second floor. If we can build on the second floor, return true. Yeah. And then secondary controller. Move floors. If you can't build on the second floor, return. That's good logic. That's just good logic right there. But why isn't it working? Man, I did not want to spend this stream like redoing the decoration controller. This sucks. And it's not even just about the stream. It's just I just don't want to do this. I don't want to do it. Move between floors, L1 and R1. They don't do shiz. They don't do anything. Do they do anything if I use K and L? Nope. What's going on here? Move floors. All right. Does decoration controller have a move floors? No, doesn't. I did not mean to close that. Okay. Move floors. So can't build, no skill, no focus object. Current floor, direction. All right, so we got a bunch of prints, right? Print, trying, yo. どうしてですか? Games are like books and pornography. What I consume is nobody's business unless I choose to share. Sure. Having a tie to a social account seems like social credit BS. Yes, I don't. I mean, there is stuff about like friends lists and, showing. I think there's privacy settings to not show what game you're currently playing, but it's definitely embedded in the Facebook. Like if you're playing VR, you're in the Facebook ecosystem. If you're deving, that's another story. Whoa. It's not even being called. It's not even being called. These functions are not even happening. Can move. Oh, because can move. No more can move. I don't have can move anymore. We can always move. It is really creepy. I made a new Facebook for my Quest. Yeah, that's one way to do it. But all employers can just look at that list? Hey, what do you mean all employers? I have a Rift S. It's a little old, but I play most of my stuff through Steam. The Rift S is probably still more powerful than like the latest MetaQuest. No? There we go. All right, so if I place in the middle of this, I need to make sure that that is a value of 2 and height. It is exactly 2. Okay, we're safe. That means it snapped it, even though it was in the middle of the coroutine. And by most of my stuff, I mean almost exclusively walkabout mini golf. Okay, so I like Beat Saber, but I'm like, I don't know if you know this about me. I don't know if you know this about me, but I'm obsessed with ping pong. Um, and what is the ping pong game on MetaQuest? It's like Table 11 ping pong VR. 11, yeah, 11 table tennis. Okay, this game is the closest thing to real life ping pong I've ever played. It's incredible. Like, I feel like playing right now. I think I'm gonna become a just an 11 table tennis streamer now. VR only. So if you like ping pong and you want a super realistic feel, this is so realistic. It's incredible. Okay. Do I need to test other build modes? I think I do. I don't remember which ones though. Which ones don't implement their own moving functions? I don't remember. Gotta go, but it was fun stopping in. Automat, thanks for hanging. Have a good one. Probably haven't played it in 3 years. Forgot about it. Yeah, I haven't touched it in about a year. Maybe like eight or 9 months. I haven't touched it, but it's a good one. Catch you later, fellow bot. That's right. You were one of the ones that came in yesterday, and like 3 people hit the follow button at the exact same time, which is so freaky. Okay, so what do I want to do next? That's the best I can do. I worked on it. I added the D-pad to construction mode. Um, do you guys think the construction mode camera is too far away? Hmm. One of the people testing thought it was a little too far away. Like at full screen, they were in they were doing this and they were like, "Oh, the hammer looks so whoa, okay, we definitely broke it." We broke it. Yum. Damn it. What happened? I've still not played the test build. That's okay. It's a bit far. Yeah, it doesn't need to be this far, does it? Why did I break? How did I break that? The demolition mode should technically use its own. Oh. Mm, mm, How long does it take? You could play it for like 3 hours. Whoa. Where did Unity just go? My hands were up here. I didn't close it. That was hard crash. I think I initialized like 500 coroutines. Computer freaked out. All right, so I did something terrible, obviously. I worked on that to fix it, and then I broke it everywhere else. And I'm gonna eat this while Unity opens back up. So freaking good. Good it isn't just us crashing the editor. No. Off to the store. I know you'll have this fixed by the time I get back. Second favorite. Enjoy your trip to the store. Yeah, what did I do? What did I do? Demo controller. You know what I think I need? I think I need a checkbox that's like, should I be clamping this or not? Because I just did some crazy changes to the parent class. And there's like 6 other scripts that all inherit from this parent class. And here I am thinking, oh, all these things, I'm sure I'm safe. I'm sure I'm doing safe things. I don't think I did safe things. So this has its own move function, which is fine. Can move equals true. Okay, that's fine. So we do pause movement. What is current position? Ooh, we don't even use current position here. Since quarantine, I've been calling outside the wasteland. Yeah, I mean, I felt like that for a little bit. I feel like everything's back to normal. But it's totally not. The world is different. It's as normal as it can be right now. Still feels like it to me. I don't think that's an uncommon sentiment. I'm sure a lot of people still feel the same way. Do I overwrite interaction? Interaction. So I do call the base class. So what did I do to totally ruin demo mode? What did I do? For starters, yeah. Okay, I need to have a boolean that's like, don't do what I just added or do what I just added. So move delay, can move, can move.